Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now I am very sure you have actually not tried this particular remedy for belly fat reduction before. Okay, so sit down, watch me as I'm going to be showing you, because this thing is going to work. It's going to give you all of the calcium and all of the iron that you need instead of carbohydrates, and it's just going to help you to wash down all of your clogged or blocked or dirty colon, and your belly fat is just going to go down in few days. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video, and let's get down into the video. We're gonna be needing to use unripe plantain for a flat tummy and a thin body. Okay, unripe plantain is great for digestive problem. It contains a lot of fiber, especially important to promote bowel regularity. It controls the weight, high in antioxidant, good for your heart, so it's going to help to remove all of the belly fats. Now I'm going to be showing you a very special way in which you're going to be needing this. Now the next one you're going to be making use of is lemon. Now lemon is essential for the body and for the skin. It contains a high level of vitamin C and amino acids. Lemon promotes hydration, is a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss, improves your skin quality, it aids in digestion, and it also freshens the breaths. Okay, now you are going to also be making use of ginger. Alright, now ginger is a great remedy for the skin, and it's also great for the body because it relieves nauseousness, it relieves motion sickness, it is great for loss of appetite, and it's a great remedy that helps to spice up the food, and it's going to help to remove belly fat. Okay guys, now to sweeten the taste of all of this stuff, we're going to be making use of organic honey. Now honey is a great remedy and a great ingredient and a very sweet one for the body. High quality honey is rich in antioxidants like this one. Honey is less bad than sugar for diabetic patients. The antioxidants in it can help lower blood pressure. Honey also help improve cholesterol. Alright guys, so since we are going to be needing to use both the back, like the peel of this plantain, we are going to be putting all of them, and we're going to be sanitizing it, washing it, and I'm just going to be using one just to show you the great and important thing this can do. Alright, so here I just finished washing the plantain. Unripe plantain, guys, take note of that. Now have to cut it with the peel. So after cutting this, I'm just going to be transferring that into a pot. So I sanitized the lemon too. I'm just gonna cut the lemon plus the zest. Then we're gonna put that into the pot. Yeah, you're gonna be putting 1 or 2 cup of clean water into this. So that's 1 and that's 2. So 2 cups of water is gonna be enough. And we're gonna prepare the ginger. Now the ginger we're gonna be putting just small quantity, not so much. We're gonna wash that, and then we're going to cut the small quantity, and then we'll put it inside this. Okay, so now we'll have to boil this for like 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I boiled this for like 10 minutes now, and it's been boiling. Just, oh my god, I just took it out and this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna be keeping it for it to cool down, and basically we're gonna be enjoying this. This is gonna be so nice, and trust me, if you're aiming to lose weight, you can as well, you know, after you've boiled, you can eat the unripe plantain. But yeah, you're gonna be doing with the water. Alright, so here it is. It has cooled a bit, but you don't have to keep it for it to be too cool. Like, let it be warm. You have to drink this warm. So you're gonna be getting a cup, and you transfer all of the juice into this cup. After that, you'll be putting in half teaspoon of honey, organic honey. Okay, you don't need to put in any honey that is not organic, so that this can actually work, because there's some honey that they use sugar in making. You can see my honey is from the farm direct, locally harvested. So this is how it looks like. Really nice, and I'm sure with the help of the honey it's gonna taste really great. So you're gonna take that along with the unripe plantain. You're gonna peel the peel, remove the peel, this is it. Alright, so this is the juice. You're gonna take this morning, and then you're gonna take it evening for the space of 2 weeks, and trust me guys, it's gonna be okay. Now this is actually not compulsory for you to eat, but of course it's unripe plantain and it contains a lot of iron, so you don't need to keep your plantain for it to be ripe, so that there won't be much of carbohydrates in it, just iron. And this is going to help in removing your stomach fat rapidly. Let me have a taste and tell you how it does taste. Okay guys, so it tastes well. It tastes really nice because of the honey, but that's why I said your honey has to be organic, so that you would not be taking in sugar into the body instead of taking in a very good substance like honey. Okay, so here, and that's it. Morning and evening for the space of 2 weeks, and all of your belly fat is gone. Alright guys, so the thing is that it actually tastes nice. Yeah, tastes nice. Like, it doesn't have a bad taste, it doesn't have a sweet taste, it just tastes okay. And you know, anything that will have to work for you, especially in removing fats, it mustn't taste sweet, okay, so that it would, you know, fight the fat cells in your body and dissolve it instead of accumulating it with sugar, soda, and all of that stuff. So if you're actually taking this, you also have to stay away from soda and some other very sweet drinks, you know, and it's gonna work. You also have to give it time. Alright, so that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Please share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.